Hi, I'm Shipra Malhotra joining you once again from the sidelines of the ET Data Protection and Privacy Summit. Joining me now is Bhavna Longani, who is the DPO at Max Life Insurance. Welcome, Bhavna. How are you finding it so far?
Thank you, Shipra. It's an amazing session that is going on. There is so much of energy, so much of excitement. There are so many questions and curiosity around with everybody. What's happening in this privacy world?
Yeah, and it's an ever changing world. So, of course, a lot of questions that are on the minds of the delegates. As a DPO, how do you see your role evolving? And for DPOs in general, what does 2025 and beyond hold for them?
Great question, Shipra. The TPO role is being changing, and with privacy becoming very important at this point of time, it has been evolving and changing, and there is, of course, a maturity curve that will be coming in. Now, the role of a DPO is not just ensuring the gaps have been addressed and the privacy roadmap has been created. The role of the DPO is to ensure privacy is embedded everybody in the organization and it's embraced by everybody. Everybody talks the same language. They understand privacy taxonomy. They should be aware that what are the safe handling practices, which means there is going to be a change in culture, which means the role of a DPO is not just sharing it with the senior leadership team, but also the last mile, that what all you can contribute in terms of embracing privacy, making your organization much more secure. Because the last thing any employee would want, having the headlines grabbing in terms of the non-compliances and hefty penalties, they would want to make their organization more secure. So DPO, it's about the culture change. So the role of a DPO becomes very important, making sure it's a mindset change and everybody handles the data more securely, and there is of course privacy in place as well. So that's why nowadays it's no more that the privacy conversation is happening in a technology room or just with the technology folks. The privacy conversation is becoming a boardroom discussion as well, where a lot of roles in fact have a regular updates to the board as well, what's happening in the privacy domain. So it's going to be changing. It's exciting times ahead, and all the best.